Again, adventurers, and welcome to another exciting video from Costa Rica. And today we're gonna be exploring the Guayabo Pre-Colombian Archeological Site and Nature Reserve. So let's get into the vlog. Here you can see the petroglyph called jaguar and alligator. The relationship of the two animals has been construed to mean a symbolic alliance of people, groups or high-ranking persons interacting in the Guayabo region. Over here we spotted some camouflage lizard with interesting tail. It said there are other animals in this nature reserve, including sloths, but no matter how much we looked into the canopies, we couldn't see anything. Alright, and after about 10-15 minutes of walking, you get to this viewpoint. You have a nice view of the jungle and also the archaeological site underneath. Alright, in just a few minutes of descending from the viewpoint, we got to the beginning of archaeological site with some information tables. All of the work seen here are foundations, pavements and walls. Mostly circular foundations were used as platforms for bygone constructions made of wood, palm fronds, lianas and others. Here we see some pool that was constructed as a part of a larger aqueduct system. You can't really walk on these ancient paths and mounts because they put this wooden fence around it. I guess if people walked on it over time, they would damage it. Elevated platforms known as mounds consisted of massive landfills surrounded by stone walls. The conical shape is typical of the most traditional homes of indigenous people inhabiting regions near Guayabo in the Talamanca mountain range. This is a part of 4 to 5 kilometer long straight cobblestone roads, although their segments may start in other intermediate settlements. Cobblestone roads were costly and complex undertakings requiring such tasks as stone selection and transportation, clear cutting and support landfills. Cobblestone roads suggest this was a ceremonial center visited by people from other communities and also connected to subsidiary sites. The distribution of sites with architectural works show this chiefdom ruled over a 15-kilometer radius. And over here we spotted these leaf cutter ants carrying their leaves back to the ant house. I saw these ants before in Thailand, but apparently here in Costa Rica they're very abundant. So we follow the path of the ants and we realized that they are crossing over this log, over this little stream, which was pretty fascinating. Alright, vegan adventurers, I hope you enjoy another amazing vlog from Costa Rica. Next we're moving over to the Caribbean side of Costa Rica where we're hoping to get some beach life. So stay tuned for those videos and as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.